Hey guys, this is Mark. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a quick clean on your white sneakers. First off, we're gonna need a old toothbrush, a dishwashing liquid, a towel, and a old container. First, put water on the container and add the dishwashing liquid. Mix it. Then dip the toothbrush on the soap and then start brushing the midsole of it. Make sure to add some pressure on it, so just to be sure that the dirt will come off the shoe. After brushing, I immediately wipe off the soap just to be sure that the shoe won't sip in the water or the soap if you're planning to wear this after cleaning it. And then repeat again. Look for other spots that are dirty and start brushing it. If you miss some spot, just don't be afraid to go back and brush it. On the upper part of the shoe, on this case it's leather, so what I did is I put less pressure on it so that the shoe will not be damaged or scratched when brushing it. And again, after brushing, I wipe it off. And that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you very much for watching and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.